Reflecting on the state of the nation of South Africa as delivered by Mr. Ramaphosa, continuing in conversation, we're joined by Honorable Noma Buthelezi of the MK Party, a young female leader in the MK Party caucus in the National Assembly, to discuss her views and most importantly, to speak to the young nation. Honorable Buthelezi, welcome. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Ms. Thembile Nkosi, and greeting to the viewers at home. Greetings to the young people that are watching right now, and also greetings to abantu abadala abasemakhaya abalindele ukuthi ngelinye ilanga abantwana babo abazukulu babo bazobafonela bebetshela ukuthi batholile imisebenzi bangenile ezikolweni, and so on and so on. So I greet you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that very personal, touching greetings. I think you've already set the tone for today's engagement, and I think it's to really see the heart and soul of our country coming through. Khulumile ke umongameli wase South Africa uRamaphosa. Coming from what he said, izwile ngayizwanga, yini mhlambe ocabanga ukuthi besilindele ukuyizwa noma esibona ukuthi kunala angafiki khona sabantu base South Africa?
As a young person, I can only welcome economic growth and service delivery.
Sure.
But what matters the most to us as abantu abasha is implementation. Youth unemployment rate is very high, of which that is the challenge, the biggest challenge that we are facing as a country and in our communities.
Yeah.
So uRamaphosa has never said anything about abantu abasha ukuthola umsebenzi. Usho nje izinto esijwayele ezizaziyo. So right now we need practical opportunities. So sizoyithola kanjani lento? We just don't need ama promises, as uRamaphosa always says.
Yeah.
We need practical opportunities through ama development skills kwabantu abasha, through empowerisha ifundo or imfundo yabantu abasha. We always talk about free education in our country. Kuyimanje izingane ziphasile. KZN was the most province ephumelele kahle kakhulu amongst the 9. So ithini lento itshela ukuthini nabantwana abaningi abazohamba beye ema universities, abanye beye ema colleges, kodwa abakwazi ukuthola ikhala. Although umuntu ephasile kahle kuthiwa kugcwele, we don't have a space for you. So itshela leyo nto, you must go back home. Uyoqala phansi uyobhema ama-drugs, uyoqala phansi uyoba unemployed because usungena kwi-states sabantu abanganawo umsebenzi, ne? So abantu abaningi abahlala emakhaya, hayi ngoba behlele emakhaya ngoba bethanda, it's because imisebenzi ayikho. Uhulumeni akabavuleli abantu abasha amathuba ukuthi besebenze. So we need ukuthi isona manje i-translate to a real job creation, a safer communities for abantu abasha, because the more sihlele ema-community angekho right, is the more abantu bezoqala phansi benza ama-drugs, kube mnandi, kungabi bikho nje into productive eyenziwa abantu abasha. So we need ama-safer communities for abantu abasha. We need imisebenzi. We need ama-funding, not lama funding ajikiswa abe ama-political funding.
Sure.
In KZN we have a youth fund ehlala iphuma year in year out, but leyo funding ekuzuyithole uma uyimember ye-MK. Leyo funding uzoyithola only if you member yeNkatha or you member ye-ANC. With I for one have been applying for those funding, but akaze ngiwathole before even i-MK zibe khona. But akaze uzuyithole. How much more manje abantu abasha abaningi eKZN beyi-MK waziwa? You're gonna apply for that funding, they're gonna go to your TikTok, we see you jumping there, ujabulisa MK, so you're not gonna get anything.
Yeah.
So mayiphele leyo nto, abantu abasha banikwe amathuba emisebenzi. Abantu abasha are the future of this country. So ithina esinekusasa elikhulu kakhulu kunalabo gogo abagcwele la eParliament. We don't see abantu abasha abaningi la eParliament. The only party engisayibonile is accommodate abantu abasha is the MK party. So that's why we are saying to the young people of South Africa, vote for the MK party. It's very alarming uma sekuyovotwa abantu abasha ibona abantu abavota kakhulu. Bagcwala ulayini abantu abasha ibona contribute more voters of South Africa. But kuba kuhlungu uma abantu abasha sekuyibona abangayitholi imiphumela emihle yokuvota. Kuba kuhlungu futhi abantu abasha uma sekuyibona bavotela amaqembu angabasizi ngalutho. Young people must stop voting for the GNU. They must stop voting for the ANC.
Yeah.
They must stop voting for a DA. They must stop voting for iNkatha. They must vote for MK party because iyona ezobanikeza ushintsho. Already kuyimanje abantu abasha bakwi-MK space ibona abaningi, and ibona abakhona abenza zonke izinto. They are campaigning, everything, they are giving back to the communities. Kade sino back to school program, ne? Abantu abasha bebe baningi ukubabona bezo-support ama-parliamentarians ukwenza leyo program. So young people must vote for the MK party. That's the only way out now.
Sure. And you've mentioned something very interesting, that the future sits with the young people of this country. As the MK party, what message do we have? Not just about voting, but a message of hope to young people.
The message of hope to young people from the NK Party is abantu abasha baqhubeke bafunde. They must not give up. Education is the only weapon that we have njengamanje empilweni zethu. So young people must go to school. Young people must never give up on applying for imisebenzi. Ningabalaleli oGwede Mantashe uma bethi abantu abasha ba-apply. Abantu abasha ba-apply. Most of them, they have already given up. Go LinkedIn, kuzo zonke lezi zinto apply kuzona. So they must not lose hope. Keep on applying for those jobs. One day uzothola. Keep on applying for those funding. One day uzoyithola. Keep on trying ukuthi haslishela. In KZN, I'm going to talk about KZN the most because that's where I come from. I have abantu abasha abaningi engibaziyo abazenzela amabhizinisi amancane. We have omgilane abanama-container abagunda abantu. We have osithixo abadayisa ingubo zokugqoka. We have this I bought kuSmith Street yenziwa abafana abancane. This is good and iyahamba iyamasha. That is business. So abantu abasha abazame ukuthi ngayo yonke indlela bezame nabo ukuyithuthukisa. Abantu abasha abahlala emakhaya, thina we have land ke emakhaya sinomhlaba nje mina ekhaya 1200 hectares of land. Of which ekhaya kuneyingadi about 6 yeyingadi ezitshalwayo ugogo noma ne. Nabo abantu abasha abahlala emakhaya use that back space esekhaya kini, tshala something, thola iy'thombo, seek assistant kubantu abangakwazi ukukusiza, uthola isithombo utshale, uhambe uyodayisa or ningadayisanga nidle la ekhaya. I-poverty must come to an end kubantu abasha. Actually emakhaya ila ungeke uzuyifice kakhona khulu indlala because thina sizitshalela ama-veggie, yonke i-production nje siyayikhipha, siney'nkunku, sibamba la iy'nkunku, siney'mbuzi, siney'nkomo. The only thing that we need the most is imisebenzi esingakwazi ukuthola.
Sure. Thank you so much for that. And of course, in terms of your work here in Parliament, you serve in the Portfolio Committee of Tourism. In terms of what the President and the SONA update was speaking to, do you feel that this department was extensively covered? Do you feel the work that is being put in there relates to what's happening in this country?
I don't feel ukuthi i-committee la tourism was covered kuyisona. The only thing President ayishilo uthe kwi-tourism ngoba kuwama-holiday abantu abafikile there were more than 10 million. But bese uyayibuza ukuthi lo 10 million ubuyaphi? The 10 million tourists abefikile abela eCape Town kuyindawo eyiphezulu. The 10 million abantu abefikile beseThekwini kuyindawo eyiphezulu. The 10 million abantu abefikile bese Kruger National Park, if now it's open after the flooding, I don't know. Yes. Bese uyayibuza-ke mina ngiphume emakhaya because I'm the voice of abantu abahlala emakhaya. I come from Ulundi. Ulundi is a cultural and historical land. Nje kuyaziwa ukuthi uma usolundi indawo yamaciko, indawo yamasiko, indawo yehistory. Sine history kakhulu ondini. We have Ulundi Cultural Museum. We have iKwaZulu Cultural Village Olundi, of which indawo lezi okumele ngabe kuya-extendwa i-tourism sector ike ihambele ey'ndaweni zasemakhaya. But ngoba uhulumeni akekho serious ngalento yokuthi ufuna ukuthuthukisa umnotho, kanjalo futhi abantu abasha kwi-tourism sector ngeke uzuze ubabone abekho kwi-value chain ye-tourism ne. They are just being locked out. Ihulumeni uma yimisele kakhulu ngendaba ye-tourism kusamele extend, and then they must also go to laphaya Olundi ukuze lama-tourist ekwazi ukufika ezozivakashela. Kumele be-check-e i-reality i-click in la engqondweni zabo, be-check-e ama-roads. Umgwaqo wasolundi is very, very bad. Kumele be-check-e i-network connectivity. We don't have network Ulundi. Ever since I was born mina ekhaya sinayo network. Thatha ubhopopho ugaqo lapha esihlahleni ukuze uzokwazi ukuthola i-call. So they must make sure ukuthi these infrastructure adingakala ama-tourist akhona, imgwaqo, inetwork, amanzi nogesi. Awukwazi ukuba nogesi manje kade ugcwalisa ifridge lakho ebusuku ngo-9 ugesi usuyahamba uzozubuye after 5 days. Basiphindisela back endlaleni. Noma ngabe usuzame kanjani ukuthi okay, ifridge lami ligcwele ngithengile, ugogo uthengile ngemali yakhe yempesheni, kuzosizani because lokho kudla okuthengiwe sophinde kubole because umasipala wasolundi olawulwa iNkatha Freedom Party uyahluleka ukubhekelela abantu bendawo, abantu ababavotelayo. Abantu base South Africa nabantu basolundi abayeke ukuvotela iNkatha Olundi because asinalutho, asinamgwaqo. Ama-toilet angaze afika nini, siyazakhela ama-toilet emgwaqo. We don't have ama-clinic.
Sure.
Asinayo iclinic. We don't have halls. Asinawo ama-hall.
No
We
basic
don't-
services.
Yes, no basic services, nothing. We don't have water.
Tell us, Kanye.
Sicela esigangeni literally amanzi niyahamba niye edamini khona idame lalisetshenziswa umkhulu kudala khanje kuyokhiwa amanzi khona amanzi lawo niwaphuza ngomlomo kumele niwathenge abangakazi ukuwathenga kumele amanzi niwabhoyile ukuze nizokwazi ukuwaphuza. So i-tourism sector was not covered at all kwindawo zasemakhaya and akaze ize iba involve abantu abasha. So again uMr Ramaphosa lied Patricia de Lille, Minister of Tourism. That one girl always comes to TV and lie, thinks she wants to be relevant.
Sure.
Thank you.
Ayikuzwakele.